How to save money on a low income. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're living on a low income, saving money might seem impossible, but today, I'm going to show you that it is possible with the right strategies. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that can make a big difference. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. 1. Track your spending. The first step to saving money is knowing exactly where your money is going. Track your expenses for a month using a simple notebook, a budgeting app, or even a spreadsheet. Once you see where your money is going, you can find areas to cut back. 2. Create a realistic budget. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about control. List your income and necessary expenses like rent, utilities, and food. Then, set aside a small amount for savings. Even if it's just $5 a week, it adds up over time. 3. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Cut back on things that aren't essential. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook meals at home instead of eating out, and shop for discounts. Small changes in daily habits can lead to big savings. 4. Find ways to increase your income. If you're struggling to save because your income is too low, consider side hustles like freelancing, selling unused items, or taking up a part-time gig. Even an extra $50 a month can make a huge difference. 5. USE savings hacks. Try the pay yourself first method. Set aside savings before spending. Use cashback apps, buy second-hand when possible, and take advantage of community resources like food banks and free events. Bonus tip. Automate your savings. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Automate your savings by setting up an automatic transfer to a savings account. When it's out of sight, it's out of mind, and that means you're more likely to save. Saving money on a low income isn't easy, but with discipline and the right approach, you can do it. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.